What's up, guys? Welcome to another video on Crypto Sage. In today's video I'll be talking about how to withdraw from the KuCoin exchange, so make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video. In our previous video we did a tutorial on how to deposit a cryptocurrency from an exchange, let's say from Binance to the KuCoin exchange, and the process was pretty simple. If you do not still yet understand how to do it, you can go back and rewatch that video on our channel. So today we'll be mainly focusing on how to withdraw from a KuCoin exchange. Let's say you are withdrawing to Binance, and the step that you are supposed to follow so as not to make any mistake. As you all know, crypto is a good way as a beginner to invest the little money you can afford to lose, but it is not something to joke about. So you want to be conscious of what you are doing. You want to have the knowledge of what you are doing so that you do not make silly mistakes. So without further ado, let's go straight into the video. So this is my KuCoin dashboard. If you've not created an account on KuCoin, click on the link below to create an account with KuCoin so as to get a bonus when you create an account using that link in the description. So this is my KuCoin dashboard, and to go over to the part where you are to get the coin to withdraw, let's say you've traded on the platform, you've gotten some gems and you want to transfer it to Binance as an example, the first thing to do is to go over to this section to access your main account. As you can see on this page, we have the main account, the trading account, margin account, futures account, but in this video we'll be focusing on main account. On other exchanges like Binance, this will be your sports account. So let's use this for the tutorial. We're using our main account, so I'll be clicking this and let's hold on a bit for it to show up. And voila, here we are. So these are our main account, and these are all the cryptocurrencies that KuCoin has listed on their exchanges. But in today's video we'll be using Tether, which is USDT, as an example. So if you do not find the coin here, yes, if you've traded a particular coin, definitely it will be in this board here. But if you are looking for a particular coin, or let's use USDT as an example here, we can go to this search bar here, click on it, and then type in the symbol. That's the acronyms for the abbreviation for the coin. So for Tether we are to use USDT, and here we go. This is USDT appearing on our dashboard. Now on KuCoin, they have actually made the process very easy in that you have all the options in this section to deposit, to withdraw, to transfer, to end, and optionally to lend too. But in this point, in the former video we talked about to deposit, but in this video I'm going to talk about how to withdraw. So the next thing to do is to click on the withdraw option. So we are assuming that we have USDT on the exchange now, and we want to withdraw it to another exchange. Let's say we are withdrawing our USDT from here, we are taking it down to Binance. You get the point? So what you have to do is to click on USDT on Binance, copy the wallet address, choose a network address to use before accessing this part. So now that we've selected the coin, as you see here, we've selected the coin which is Tether, which is this one. Selected the coin USDT. Now the next thing to do is to withdraw to the address of USDT on the other exchange. So what you have to do is to copy that address and then paste it on this section. You get the point? You have to paste the address on this section. So let me just write something random on this place as the wallet address. Good. Now after pasting the wallet address of the USDT from Binance that you are withdrawing to, the next thing is to impute the network. This place is very crucial, because if you miss a step here, you've missed it all. If you choose the wrong network after sending your USDT to Binance, you would never get that USDT. It will be lost forever with no way to access it, because you did not choose a matching network. So if you have choose, okay, let's say for this for Binance, for KuCoin, these are the network for USDT. Again, these are the network. So make sure if you are choosing ERC20 for Binance, which is this first one I'm choosing, make sure you're also choosing ERC20 for KuCoin, because if you choose ERC 20 for Binance and you go over to KuCoin, which you are to withdraw from, and you choose TRC20 instead of ERC20, you will actually lose that crypto. So make sure you choose the network that it is matching. Make sure the network is matching, so that when you transfer your crypto in less than a minute or less than 2 minutes, you actually get it on the other exchange. So we are going with ERC20, and after choosing the network, click confirm. You see, while withdrawing or depositing, these are the two most important things: your wallet address, your network. Because if you miss these two, you've missed it all. Now, after inputting the right wallet address and the network, you will have an option to place the amount of crypto or USDT you want to withdraw. That is a step you can actually do by yourself. It is not difficult. This video is mainly to help you see how important the wallet address and the network address is. So make sure you do not miss any steps. So after putting this part, you have an option to write in the amount you want to withdraw and then click withdraw. The process is very, very easy. And so that is how to withdraw from KuCoin to pretty much any other exchanges. It's quite simple. It's just a reverse process. You deposit and you withdraw. The main thing is to focus on the wallet address and the network address. If you are using it's ERC20, make sure you are using it for both. If you are using TRC20, make sure you are using it for both, so that you do not miss any part. And that will be all for today's video. If you still have not created KuCoin account, please click the link in the description below to create an account to get a bonus, an incentive when you create an account with KuCoin. On our next video, expect something pretty much cool. So make sure to click the subscribe button, hit the bell button so as to get notified when we drop a new video, and don't forget to please like this video to help others who are also interested in this kind of video to see this video. Thank you very much, guys, and that'll be all for today's video. Crypto Sage signing out.